Here's Z with a quick update. Looking at one of the charts that I like to look at, tunnel through time. This morning we took a look at resistance and support and said, obviously, first things first, you've got to get through the high or low from Friday. So we'll use that as our outside boundaries. And we expected that we would get a soft morning after trend day, and felt that anything below that 72 would be, which was the close on Friday, would be good fortune. So we were very conservative with our expectations, both long and short side. So we thought we would start with that 85 to 88 as our normal resistance. Obviously, the low of the day at the present time this morning would be our support. Tag a couple points on below that, and we figured that 65 area would certainly be first support for anybody that wanted to try a range type idea. This afternoon, a little bit softer than I expected, certainly. I thought if we got back below the 72, it would be good fortune. And as it turned out, looking at a couple of charts, we were still in the umbrella trade, and we said, hey, we can get further south and even take out that low. But let's still consider that that prior low on Friday is supportive within a point or two of either side. With a 5-minute RTH chart, could not have been better. Hit the rain line. One of the things we were looking for was to stall. And then the idea was, would we be able to come back this afternoon and break the lows or not? 50-50 idea we had here that this afternoon could lead to retest of some support. And anything under 72 we thought would be the good fortune territory to come back and retest the lows on Friday. And looking at a few deeper charts, one of the things we're looking at is our big time frame. Notice that this is probably a very important area, the 60 area based on this chart. That's why we've got the circle here. Tell us the support and resistance zones above and below it. And using a more typical 30-minute Globex chart, showed us pretty good resistance today in that 82 to 85 zone. Below that, still in the umbrella trade, had to get back under 72s for continuation. And then obviously looking at the S1 area of 62 for a potential target. We also have targets that are reflected here step by step. And this is part of our system that we are using to, that's all automated, that helps us to identify potential opportunities. And we think there are many good programs out there, a lot of good traders, those that are kind enough to mention me in their posts in a positive manner. I appreciate that. And I do not intentionally shirk from my responsibility to say thank you. And I appreciate all those who interact with me on Twitter and elsewhere. So best wishes to all, and hope you're having a great day.